Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have a GOOLOO GT4000S, and this is basically a jump starter. And kind of give you an idea, it gives you some stats on the box before we open it. So a 4,000 amp peak current. You can do a maximum 12-liter gas engine or 10-liter maximum diesel engine. So I have this Hummer H2 that I normally kind of let sit, and I end up having to jump it all the time. So this is going to be absolutely perfect and be able to help us out getting that started. So let's open this up and see everything we get inside. And GOOLOO makes some pretty fantastic products. I'm always very impressed with them. So they always have these cool boxes that kind of like slide open. So that's pretty cool. Alright, so it is basically a pretty big power block, as you can tell. And it's got a light on it, and it looks like it's got a cool little display. Let's press the button down. So it comes 79% charged, so you can almost use it right away. And then on this side, it basically will have all your little power ports. So you have an in and out, 100 watt, USB out, 5 volt, 9 volt, 12 volt, USB out, 5.24 volts out, and then DC out, 15, 10 amp, and then it has your 12 volt starter that's there. And going inside, a little bit deeper into the box, so you get your user manual on that. Comes with a carry case, which is great, so you can put this in your trunk, your glove box, center console, wherever you have room to put that. And oh wow, it comes with a bunch of different accessory cables. Let me get this box out of the way here. Nice box, nice box. So here is your power port adapter. So you can plug that in, and then you have like your basic accessory port adapter for that. Then you can charge this on a go through your power port. So you plug this in, and then you plug that into your car, truck, SUV power adapter port. So you can charge this on a go when you're up and running. It comes with a couple little cables. That's a C. Oh yeah, so it comes with a USB A to a USB-C, and then it comes with a USB-C to USB-C, so pretty neat. Comes with a bunch of different cables. And then this is what we're going to be using to jumpstart your vehicle. Pretty easy. And then it has a boost button here, so if you turn that on and then hit that boost button, it is basically going to give you enough power to start up like your bigger vehicles. So our Hummer is going to be a perfect example of a larger vehicle to start using this pack. And yeah, anyway, let's go outside and get that thing jumped and running. Stay tuned. All right, so we're at the Hummer, and just kind of show you that this doesn't start. Like, we let it sit. We don't drive it that often. So, completely dead. Let's open the hood up. So this is the battery compartment, and you can tell I already love the color. Alright, so on this side, you can just take the charge cables, we plug them in there. Then we hook the black lead up to the negative side first, and then red to the positive side. And then it's kind of bright out here. We'll turn that on. with the boost button. So that turns that on. So we're ready to start it. So yeah, starts right up. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.